Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 4. This is the Lake of Brienz. And it is pretty busy right now because there is looks like a tourist boat or tour boat that's just emptied out with a load of people on it. But anyway, this is the beautiful Lake of Brienz. That's stunning, isn't it? Quite a backdrop as well, snow-capped mountains. Oh, what a stunning day. And yeah, our couple of days that we were due to be spending around Switzerland, we've actually had a bit of a change to now. We had a plan on things that we were going to see and do, but while on the campsite last night, we met a lovely Swiss lady called Angie, and who was a local. I lived only about 40 minutes down the road from where we were staying, and she was down there just camping out for a few nights and told us quite a bit about the area and sort of little snippets and secrets that maybe only local people would get to see and know. So we're going to try and explore a couple of those today. You know, Rose is a big lover of caves, so we're actually going to be looking at some caves shortly, but we passed Brienz on the way to it, and as we didn't get to see it yesterday, we thought we'd come and have a look. Is that bird actually just like nested on the like a little floating platform there? I mean, look at that. It's just something like out of a fairy tale. Can't believe we've driven through Switzerland maybe 3 times now. On the way to Italy, actually. We've never stopped off and explored it. What a waste. I think it's got to be one of the most, if not the most beautiful country in Europe. And we've just blasted through it. We're learning a lot on this trip. I mean, like Luxembourg as well. We've literally only stopped off in Luxembourg before in the past for fuel because it's always been cheap for fuel. And Luxembourg City blew us away. It's time to get on the road. Time to go see some caves. Not sure how big they are, it doesn't matter. Whether big or small, hot or cold. Rose loves a good cave. So we're going to go check out some caves. See you soon, guys.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
So when we were talking to Angie last night, we were talking about buildings in difficult locations, and she's like, don't worry, the Swiss will find a way. And when you say things like restaurants in places like this, I can see what she means. They find a way. There's literally a waterfall running through the restaurant. Does it get any better than that? I haven't seen any better yet.
Do you know why Switzerland people are so healthy?
Why are Swiss people?
They have amazing quality of drinking water.
Is that what it says?
Basically.
Really? Well, I'm not surprised when you're surrounded by this. Snow-capped mountains in the background. You see that all the way up there?
Warm clothes and non-slip shoes are recommended. Might get cold.
You're in t-shirts and shorts?
Yeah.
Okay, top tip people. If you come to Höhlen Caves, it's recommended
8 to 10 degrees.
it's recommended you wear good walking shoes.
Nope.
And warm clothes.
Nope.
Might be chilling.
Yeah.
I don't mind. It's nice to cool off after being so hot, actually.
Yeah. Ah, that's feeding the waterfall we could see on the way out, yeah?
Oh yeah, you can feel it cooling down now. Wow, look at this.
Oh my word.
Stalactites and stalagmites. Stalactites hang on tight, so they're the ones coming down, and stalagmites stand up with mine, they're the ones coming up. They're straws.
This is your first cave with a river in it.
I know. This is awesome. This is called Castle Grotto. You can see why.
Yeah.
That looks like a castle on a hill.
Right in the background there.
Yeah, and the green.
It looks like a miniature sort of fantasy world.
Medieval.
Yeah.
Straws in here. That one looks like a willy. Look how clear that water is. You could just drink it. I bought a bottle of water from the restaurant in the hope that it was as nice as this water. So we're going to crack it open and see.
Good water?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It's like two of my favourite things smashed together. Waterfalls and caves.
Waterfalls and caves, yeah. So, Rose had told me apparently this residue left on the side of the rocks here is called
Moon milk.
moon milk. That's pretty cool. Why is it everywhere there's water in a hole, people think, we should
Chuck
make a
some
wish?
money in it.
Oh wow. These are definitely the biggest stalagmites I've ever seen. There's so many of them as well.
That's a big one.
That's what she said.
Cheeky.
Yeah, oh that's pretty impressive.
Look how crystal clear that water is. Like you can't,
wow.
doesn't even look like there's water in part of it.
I'll take a picture that you can maybe see better.
Look at this.
Oh wow, this is quite a maze.
Oh, I feel that water, it's freezing.
Stalagmite's just there.
Yeah, I know. Well, that's a column because it's touching.
Oh, they are columns, aren't they?
Put your fingers in this water.
Oh wow, that's icy cold.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cold dip.
No thanks.
Beginnings of a straw there.
Yeah.
I haven't seen any curtains though, have you?
No.
Oh, she says.
Oh wow, and
Just
then she
about
walked
to
into
put my hand
curtains.
on one.
Yeah, anybody that doesn't know? This formation here is called curtains. One of my favourites. Rose is a big fan of stalactites and stalagmites.
Well, no, I like curtains too.
Yeah, but I don't know,
be
I
honest,
just love the wavy shape and pattern of them.
I just love all, like, I should have been, what is it, a geologist?
Yeah.
I should have been a geologist.
And actually the fact that you're able to touch those there, oh look, it's all the way along.
Yeah.
Here. Wow. Okay, Rose, which are the ones that come up from the ground again?
Stalagmites.
Stalagmites. They are huge. Look at that one. Look at that clear, transparent one on the right.
Oh yeah.
These are the best stalactites and stalagmites we've seen.
Oh yeah, if you bend your knees and look at the water, the lake.
Oh.
It makes them look like stalactites. That's pretty
That's
cool.
Crystal clear. Right everybody, so this is our campsite for tonight. What is that? It is on the inside. Go off and walk. Go off and walk. Sorry about that, there's a massive bug inside here. Anyway, this is tonight's campsite for the night. We've just managed to be able to secure a pitch literally on the edge of the lake. We're going to back up to it so that we can open up the doors in the morning and have a view of the lake. I mean,
Oh, look at this.
yeah, look at this. There's our beautiful lake for the swim. There's my beautiful Rose. And a whopping great train track right through the middle. And then look behind us. How's that for a view? Best camp spot so far. If you could take the train track away,
It'd be perfect.
yeah, it would pretty much be the perfect spot. Well, actually, if you could take the train track and all these people away. A top travel tip, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you are backed onto a train track, looking out at the beautiful views, if you have your back doors open, make sure you're not naked. Because you might give the people on the train a shock. That's as far as I'm going with that story. I didn't know there was a train coming and I forgot the doors are wide open. But anyway.
Even though you're looking out at the mountains of the lake.
Well, yeah, I know.
That was an amazing swim.
That was, right?
Yeah.
So, how about some dinner now?
Time for dinner. I'm starving. I could eat a scabby horse.
You could eat a scabby horse. I think I can do better than a scabby horse.
Yeah, you're going to do me fajitas again, aren't you, babe? Might as well use those wraps up.
Of course you're going to have fajitas. Never been this nervous driving 40 miles an hour. Hi guys, just stopped for another quick pit stop. We're still going up the Grimsel mountain pass. Hello again everybody. So we have just completed the legendary Swiss triple pass loop.